Hello everybody and welcome to my tutorial on how to use Scratch. So today we're gonna make the Chrome Dino game. If you don't know what is the Chrome Dino game, it's basically a type of game where you, the player, jump over obstacles to earn points. We're gonna make this exact game on Scratch, but upgraded. So let's jump in. First, we're going to delete this default sprite. Next, choose a sprite and go to Dinosaur 4. Set its size to 60. Choose a sound. We're going to record the sound. Now that you have this sound, we're going to save it. Name it. Go on to code and bring this script from the backpack. E E E. After that, we're gonna choose a sprite, upload it, upload the floor, $191, set it to X 0, Y 170, 169. Put the dino right here. Head on to costumes. And bring this upwards. There you go. Delete all these. Next, click on this. Duplicate it. And bring this foot back to normal. And bring this up here. Next, we'll choose a backdrop. And that is desert. Next, we are going to program the costumes. So for that, we are going to go to events, when green light clicked, control repeat loops, and a forever loop. Looks, switch costume. Duplicate. This one will go first, and this one will be second. Next, we're going to program scoring. So, we'll make a variable. We'll rename it to score. Next, we'll change the score by 1 when green flag clicked. Go to motion. Reset size and reset the position to that much. Then we're going to go to variables again and set the score to 0. After that, we're going to program the floor. So for that, we're going to go to events, bring a when green flag clicked, and then go to control and a forever loop and an if statement. I'm going to keep this if statement for later. Head on to sensing. And go to operators and bring this boolean less than, equal to, and the or. Negative 120. Negative 120. Motion. Go to the third last block. X position. Duplicate. We have our if statement ready. Next, we're gonna go to motion. Change X by -5. Duplicate this costume. Go to motion. We're in motion already. Then go to X and Y. Then go to looks and next costume. So our if statement is now ready. So next, go to control. 0.01 seconds. Duplicate it and place it right here. And bring it right here. And then put the if statement. Our floor is ready. Next, upload another sprite for the fire. Set the size of the fire to 30. Set it right here. There you go. Then go to events. When green flag clicked, go to looks, bring show and hide. Hide, control, wait block, 5 seconds. Looks, show. Next, go to control, a forever loop, go to motion, and bring glide 1 seconds. Right, this is not going to be 1 second. It's going to be 3 seconds. Two. There's a negative value right here. And then it will go to where the original position was. Then the game ending. Bring another when green flag clicked. And go to control. Bring a wait until block. And then go to sensing and bring a touching block. Dinosaur 4. And then go to stop all. This is the block we'll need. Then duplicate this. And delete these 3 blocks. And put this fire right over there. Now, let's test it out. The dino can jump over obstacles and earn points every time it jumps over the obstacles, and then die and then respawn back to the original position. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video with other people you love. To watch more videos like this. Bye!